What's up, guys? It's Rayvon from Love Lola, and today we're going to be inventing storage space. All right, guys, let's make these organizers. I'm actually pretty excited about this. I feel like this is going to be fun. Or I'm excited because I just really need them. I don't know, but anyway, I feel like it's going to be fun. Let's get started. Okay, so I went and measured on the wall where I'm going to be putting my organizer just to get about how big I wanted it to be, and now I am cutting my vinyl down to that size. So I think I want to just go and make like kind of like a hem around the entire thing, just so the edges won't look so raw from the front. I mean, if you want it to be like really fast, you don't have to do that. Just leave it. It's fine. But you know what I mean? Always extra. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and hem all the way around the entire thing just to make it look a little bit more put together. Now I'm gonna grab some clear vinyl and I'm gonna cut it in some strips. The length of the organizer times about 4 inches high. Okay, now grab some bias tape and slip it over the top of all of those pieces of clear vinyl and clamp it. Last piece that's going to go on the very bottom. I think I want to have a few hooks come down just in case I want to hang something, maybe some zipper pulls, or I don't know, you just never know. So I'm just going to cut a few pieces of bias tape, probably about 2-3 inches. Let's see how the 3 inches look. Yeah, about 2.5-3 inches. And what I'm gonna do is just take it and bend it in half and then just tuck it in under that bias tape and just sew over it. And then we'll just have we'll have a few spots where we can hang something. Now I'm just gonna do it on my bottom one, but you can do it on all of them if you like, you know, because you can have stuff hanging from the top too. It's whatever you want to do. Let's get the bias tape attached. Okay, so grab all of the pieces that you just made and just situate them about where you want them to be spaced. Line up the bottom of the clear vinyl with the bottom of your vinyl and clamp it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I am gonna start stitching at the top, and I'm gonna just go ahead and stitch all the way down to the bottom, and then along the bottom. And then back up to the very first one on the other side. I'm gonna back stitch at the beginning and the end. Also, go ahead and pin all of the clear vinyl strips to the other vinyl. Once I do that, starting at the bottom, I'm going to top stitch across the entire bottom for each one. So next I'm gonna go here, top stitch across there, top stitch, and so forth for each one. Okay, so now we're ready to go and put our vertical lines. I'm not gonna give any measurements for this because I feel like this is where it just depends what you're trying to put in here. I'm doing a lot of hardware. If you wanna grab some of your stuff just to get an idea, you know, of what you're working with, you can do that. I know I have a lot of little things, so I'm gonna make mine not too big, probably about, I'll probably do some about 5 inches apart. I'll probably do between 4 and 6, and I'll just do different lengths. Like I'll switch it up just to give myself some options. So I'm not gonna measure it. I'm not gonna mark it. I'm just gonna go over there and just kind of freestyle it, guys. It doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, to make things go a little bit faster, I am going to sew straight down from the top. So I'm gonna start at the top here And I'm gonna sew all the way down. And then go to the next spot and sew all the way down and so forth. And there we have it, our new wall organizers. How cute.